Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the channel. Now, today we are cooking some food. We have chef, my grandmother. So let's go. So what we are cooking today? क्या पकाने दादी आज हम?
मछली कढ़ाई कहना चाहिए।
मछली कढ़ाई. So we are cooking today fish curry. We have fish here, sliced fishes. We have a look here. क्या क्या डाला दादी इसमें?
इसमें हल्दी हाथ करेंगे नहीं करेंगे?
We have turmeric powder in it.
मिर्चें,
We have chili powder and salt. And we have so we are frying it first. So the fish is frying, and this is hira fish, and you can see beautiful frying effects. Actually, the fish doesn't need to be fried so much. If we fried it so much, it will get hard. It just need a little fry so that it will not shred into pieces when we put it into curry. Now we are done with frying, and here you can look at the fish. The fish is fried. Now we have spices for curry. Red chili powder. It's fenugreek leaves, coriander, tomatoes, onion paste. Here is onion paste. It's soy leaves, sliced onion and green chili, fenugreek seeds here, coriander powder it is, and garlic paste, and it's curd. So now we are going to make curry. Ji. Ji. So now we are putting oil. So
तीन बताना।
हाँ जी. We have 3 spoons of oil in it, and then जी. So now we will fry some onion in it first. So now we have 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds in it. Frying together. We'll fry it till onion is brown, and now we are putting some onion paste in it.
डाले?
हाँ then डालना है. Now onion paste in the oil.
पानी भी अच्छी थोड़ा सा चलो दे गाड़ी में
डालने. Now red chili powder.
लगा डाल
जी. So now coriander powder in it and garlic paste.
पकाओगे क्या
It looks so delicious.
पकाओगे नहीं
Okay.
तब ही रहेगा
जी. So now we have soy leaves in it. And it looks very delicious actually.
ये डाल टमाटर
We have 2 tomatoes boiled and sliced. क्या? Now we poured some water in the curry to make it thin and we will cook it for some time. Okay, so now we are putting curd in it. जी
बना है
जी हाँ जी
डाल
जी. So we will put about 3 tablespoons of curd in it and now we will cook it for some time. Is cooked enough and now we are adding fish in it. So here we look at so the fish cannot be broken into pieces and we are not using the spoon because if fish will break into pieces then it will not look so good. So we have stirred the curry like this. And I hope that you guys will feel some hunger after looking at this. It's looking actually delicious.
डाल देंगे
जी जी डाल दीजिए. Now adding some green chilies in it to have.
बस हो गया तैयार
Okay there. Yes.
धनिया बार डालेंगे
So,
दो डालना पड़ेगा पानी डालो ना
डाल दीजिए.
और बंद कर दो
So now we have covered the kadahi so that it will cook for some time, and then if it is done we will show it to you by pouring it in a dish. Okay, so now we are done with the fish curry that we have made for for today. We have made some rice for it, and so that we can have it with the rice, and it actually smells too good. I wish you could smell it and you could taste it. It actually smells too good, and I hope that it tastes so good.